Hello everybody, here I have some skin that I already cooked, pork skin. I already boiled and cooked with salt and spices, and I put it in the fridge, and now it's stuck together. So I'm going to try to unstick them and try to see if I can air fry these up. Okay, so I got one out. Now I'm going to try to fit maybe 2 or 3 in here and then throw it in the air fryer. Okay, so this is going in my air fryer for 20 minutes at 400, and I'll be back and see if it's crispy. Then if not, I'll put it for another 15 minutes. I put a big piece in here as well in my smaller air fryer, and the same thing I'm gonna do 20 minutes. Let me unplug this. There we go. And then voila, crispy, and look, nice and crispy. There we go. Can you hear that? Crispy. Well, somebody's gonna eat that. I think I'm full now, so I'm probably gonna give it to my son if he's good, of course. I don't know, but when you're in this diet, the best thing ever is having an air fryer. Why? Because if you buy a steak or whatever, you just lazy to cook anything. Just throw it in the air fryer. Just kind of sprinkle some salt both sides, throw it in the air fryer. Oh my god, and it's so easy. And that's your dinner. That's it. Nothing difficult. Anyways, my friends, thank you for watching. It's a short video. Share my video. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.